I'm Maddie. I'm a survive, evade, resist, escape instructor in the Air Force. Combat Survival Training School is essentially a course that we run for aircrew specifically, just to train them for any scenarios that they find themselves in if an aircraft was to go down or they found themselves in an isolated situation. We just give them some basic tools and things that they can do to get themselves out of a sticky situation or survive. They get lessons such as knot tying, basic skills on how to light a fire. We give them another demonstration when we're actually outfield, where the instructor will run them through a full fire lighting demo, and then we go in and assist them if required during their solo phase. So I chose to be a crew attendant initially because I'd never actually travelled anywhere overseas before. So growing up in a small country town, you don't really have too many opportunities to go out and explore much further than where you are. I prefer to go camping as minimalistic as possible, so as a survival instructor it's probably better for me to be able to survive or go camping with just the bare minimum. So yeah, having a swag instead of a tent, just rolling a one camp chair, jet boils sort of setup, and my fishing rod in hand. Definitely proud of the Air Force that I'm in, and I'm proud to be part of this 100 years, and I'm definitely excited to look forward to the future. And it's pretty crazy that, you know, we've gotten to this 100-year mark, and I'm looking forward to what's going to come in the next 100 years.